Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Gamdias Iris M1 streaming webcam. This webcam comes with a built-in mic and offers a resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second. It also comes with two unique features such as the privacy mode and the ring light, which you can control using the touch-sensitive button. For people like me who do a lot of unboxing videos, what I like about this webcam is that it comes with a camera mount found on the base of the camera clamp, which is perfect for mounting the camera vertically down so I can actually do the unboxing videos. The camera should be compatible with all the streaming platforms out there, including OBS and Streamlabs. And we'll see how it works and performs. Before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Gamdias Iris M1 streaming webcam. It supports 1080p at 60 frames per second. It's got this one-tap privacy button and comes with the auto-focus lens and an adjustable ring light with 3 temperature levels from kind of bright white all the way to a kind of warm color. Supports XSplit Broadcaster, Streamlabs OBS, and has a built-in microphone as well. Let's take a look. All right, it's just the webcam itself inside, and there's a kind of silicone cap for the actual webcam. Okay, let's take a closer look at the webcam. You can see the ring light there, and there's a privacy button here, so you just tap that. It's like a touch sensitive button. There's the ring light on off, again touch sensitive, and there's a built-in mic. I'm guessing it's here. There's a little hole right there. What I like about this is that it kind of flips open like that. It's got this nice grip there that you can actually grip onto the monitor, or if you have a laptop screen, of course, it will nicely kind of fit that as well. And it's adjustable here, different angles. What I like about this also, you have this mount here for tripods, which is great because then you can actually do some nice unboxing videos. For example, you can mount this onto this tripod and kind of let it hang, and the lens, the camera is focusing down onto the actual product, so that's pretty cool. USB connection, the cable should be long enough for most laptops and computers, and that is pretty much it. And of course, if you want to protect the lens and the actual camera itself, you've got the silicone kind of cap which places over like that, and that's pretty much it. So that was a quick unboxing of the Gamdias Iris M1 streaming webcam, and we'll be giving it a quick test and see how it works on. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Gamdias Iris M1 streaming webcam, offering a resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second, as well as two unique features, which includes the privacy mode
and the ring lights. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.